How to repair a swimming pool.
In this video, we're going to show you the problems we had with this pool and how we fixed the problem, and also now going to our source and buying the required material to get the pool running. Since it is spring, getting close to summer, it's that time to get this pool in tip-top shape. So this pool has a figure 8, and you know, figure 8 is for luck. Here you're looking at the jacuzzi that was also revamped a bit. And this is the test kit that you take to your nearest hardware maybe, and then they can test the water for you, telling you what chemicals maybe is needed in order to get your water blue again. You will see later on in the photos that the water was quite green. So you will see also in the videos how this water gets tested and what the symptoms are. So this is just the chemicals that are out there on the market. Your HTH, metal stop, that is what's needed when you fill your pool with iron water, like basically bore water. Those are the test results that's showing there. You will see now the test results came about. Here you're looking at other accessories, hardware for the pool in order to scrub some algae. You can get the water blue, but you might still need to scrub the walls and so on. This is why you need some brushes. You get steel brush as well. This is for severe conditions. So aftershock is used to get the water looking very nice, because it is very much concentrated, so stronger than a normal HTH. And this is what shocks the water to get it looking blue again. So there's a whole bunch of other chemicals that is needed. There's Aquasheen. All of these chemicals has different purposes. We're just showing you what other hardware we have. So now you are looking at basically the test sample now going to be tested. We have HTH. So you can give us a call, or you can basically send us a screenshot of what you want in the items you see here, and we will quote you. We can deliver it straight to your door. And here you're looking at how the test works. So we are now comparing it to what it says on the bottle, because some of the test results you can just buy the strips which you saw there, and you can test it in the water as is at home. Other sophisticated, better ones again, is use what you see over here. And this is going to give you the exact amount of what is needed to get that water looking great again. So let's watch and see what the lady is about to do.
Darren,
So first you want to clean it nicely, because you don't want any contamination. You need to put water in each container over there, so that you can basically check for each element. And what this thing does is it spins, and then this measures the content. So yes, make a list of what items you want: HTH, aftershock, algae repellent. You send it to us, we will send you a quote, and then obviously after payment has been made, we'll ship it to you to whatever address you give us. You can buy it in bulk, because you will see in the next video that we supply bulk only actually. And here you are looking at some of your fittings. You can see we have anything that you are looking for, accessories as well, even rubbers if you need some rubbers, pipes as well, creepy crawlies, filters as well. So basically everything in order to build your own pool. There's pipes, there's everything. So if you have a quote from someone else on materials or so on, send it to us, so we can definitely source it for cheaper. And then you're looking at the pool, how it looked before chemicals was thrown in. Here we are at our source for the second time, and what a lovely coffee gesture they gave us, because we are such a regular customer. So coffee while we are choosing what we need for our clients. There's items for a chlorinated pool as well, for a heated pool. And while they are getting my order and everything that I need, I just enjoyed a nice hot cup of coffee. And this is just some slogans before you hit the road again, to go and assist the clients with their pool needs. So there you go, we have everything that you need. You can buy it in 25 kilograms. I think that's the big drum. Or 50 kilos, you can confirm. Blue 52, pumps, fittings, bends, keys, threads, glue, PVC obviously, you name it. And here you're looking at maybe the process of how the pump gets installed or even tested. You basically take your pump and test it as well, making sure it's working at optimal performance. And then basically bearings and so on needs replaced. This all gets done. And you can check, here's the sample pool. So every pump gets tested and make sure that it's working perfectly. So stay tuned, because the Wyman is all about learning. So more videos, we'll go in detail as to how these pumps work. And you can see the pool is now looking a bit cleaner after these chemicals was thrown in, and getting it looking good again, perfect for spring break. Water looking clean, and now just the bottom to do. So you know your creepy crawly is sucking good when it can climb the walls like that. That is good suction right there. Good backwash. And obviously a nice breakfast to enjoy the ambience now with the newly conditioned pool. And this is solely going forward summer vibes.